Hi, I'm Samyukta. I'm an investment advisor at ithought, and I'm going to be talking to you about one of our most popular services, the ithought Investment Review. So the reason why I want to talk about this right now is because the markets seem to be moving in one direction and are following their own journey, whereas we're also on the path to economic recovery. And this is a great opportunity for you to be investing in the leaders of tomorrow, right? So we feel this is the best time for you to do an investment review because one, you can capture those few opportunities that are going to come up in the future. The second reason is also because markets are buoyant, you can get a good exit without worrying too much about the prices. When you choose to do the investment review with ithought, there are basically 4 advantages. The first is that you get a one-on-one with our investment advisory team. So you can have a detailed discussion about your portfolio and the recommended action items. The second is that you get your own customized risk profile test. So you can see how you respond and react to financial risks as an investor. The third thing that you get is customized advice. So we make an effort to understand what you're looking for, what your investment objectives are, why you've made certain investments, and then we kind of advise you based on your risk profile on your holdings. And after this, we also give you a suggested asset allocation for your profile and investment objectives. Now, the process that we follow is that initially you will be reaching out to us, and then we'll put you in touch with one of our client associates who take an effort to understand what your expectations are. Then, of course, you'll complete the risk profile questionnaire and send us your NSDL or CDSL statements. Following this, we'll be able to assess the scope of work as well as the assets under advice and provide a quotation in line with SEBI's guidelines. And then we'll start working on your report. So once the report's ready, you will have some time to go through it and then schedule your one-on-one with our advisory team. And this will create the room for a more meaningful discussion where you can actually sort of sit in and look at this in great detail and understand what we're recommending, why we're making those suggestions for you, and how that's going to help you in the future. Now, the reason why the ithought investment review is so popular is because of the flexibility that we allow you in the implementation stage. So we've had a lot of DIY investors come in and have their portfolios reviewed because they wanted an expert opinion on how to proceed with their investments. We've even had people who work with other advisors who are looking for an unbiased outside view as well. And we've had a lot of people who also are looking for an advisor but want to test out the waters and see what their process is like. So if you decide at the end of this that you like our approach to investing, if you like the way that we manage risks and you want to sign up for our advisory services, that is also open to you at the end of this process. Now you're probably wondering why you should review your portfolio in the first place. So there's always an argument not to do it because when markets are doing well, people feel like they should just wait out and book their profits later. And when markets aren't doing so well, they feel like it's not the right time to take such a deep loss. But the thing is, just from a financial health perspective, you should be reviewing your portfolio at least once in 6 months. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a great time to sort of prepare your portfolio for the future. And if you're proactive in doing your investment review, you can actually react positively to all the changes that are going to happen in the future and make the best out of your investment journey. We invite you to participate in the ithought investment review. To do that, you can email us at info@ithought.co.in or leave a comment or drop us a message on social media. We hope to be working with you soon.